Okay, I want to show a quick demo here of why I really like Notion. And I'm going to create a page here. I'm not going to walk through the specifics of Notion because there are a lot of videos out there that cover Notion in a lot of detail and provide the functionality. What I'm really going to talk about is the piece that I really think is valuable, and that is the ability to create databases. So if I create a database here, I can have different types of database, but let's just say I want to create a database of people, and I've got opportunities in people, and I want to connect those two. So I can create an people, name, tag, and let's say we want to know when they're available. So now I've created a new column. I can say that that's a date, and then I can add information. So Alex Smith, I can put in some tags about, maybe skills that they have or something like that, and create those so that then as other people are entered, I can select those skills and then I can sort, because you can, on all these, you can filter and sort by any of these, and then I can put in the availability of when they're available. He's probably not going to be available on the 24th of December, but you get the idea. And then I can go and create a new page and create a page for opportunities, and then create a database here for opportunities, and have the opportunity, and I just want that to be text. And then I'm going to create over here a relationship to the people database that I just created a minute ago in the Notion demo. And then when I create an opportunity, it will have the people. So you can see Alex Smith is right there, and I can have the opportunity, new project. Again, I can have tags. If I don't want this field, I can just delete it, and then I'll just have the opportunity and the fields. And because these are multiple, I can have multiple, and I can actually add people through this interface. So here I can add John Smith, and now I have a new person, John Smith. If I click on that, because each row in a database becomes its own page, so I can have John Smith is available, in the end of the first week in January, right? And then I see those two people, and but they're both assigned to the new project, all right? And so this ability to link and cross-link people becomes really, really powerful. For more on this, and the other thing here is you can have different views. So you can view these as a board. If we wanted to do a board, I can do that. And create it. And then I can see them as a board. I can see them, go back to the default view. And you can see that there's no status, but I can have different statuses. I can view it as a calendar, a timeline, a list, a gallery. So there's all these fantastic ways to view the data, and you can have views of data that are different than the data that are just views of it. So if you modify it in one place, it will modify the underlying database. So it's a really powerful feature. I've got another video, longer video, on how I've used this to really connect a lot of information to make sort of a personal knowledge management for myself. Some call like your second brain, to store stuff. And so I encourage you to check that out. Thanks a lot. Bye.